Hello dear students. Today in this video we are going to have quick revision of your class 10th trigonometry. Few important questions from that so that you will become perfect before appearing for your board exams. Those who are watching the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can receive the notification as soon as I upload the next video. It may be science or maths. Yes, coming to this, how to prove this? Let us start with LHS. You should always start with LHS. If you start, what is cosec theta minus cot theta bracket square is there? You write this as it is once. Cosec theta minus cot theta bracket square you write, right? Next coming to here, what you have to do is, you have to change this to cos and cos, right? So what you have to do, you write this in terms of sine here, sine theta, because cot theta you can express this as cos theta by sine theta now, right? See, bracket square. Coming to this, take LCM. LCM is what? Sin theta means sin theta is LCM, right? Here this becomes 1 minus cos theta, right? Next, this becomes a square, this becomes square because I am splitting the squares now. Okay, here coming to this 1 minus cos theta, right? I can write this as 1 minus cos theta again, because we have to keep this in mind. 1 minus cos theta, it has to remain there only. So that is why I'm changing this by splitting. This sin square theta can be written 1 minus cos square theta or not, right? You know that identities, if you know, is very simple, right? Next coming to here, 1 minus cos square theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta. This is 1 minus cos theta, right? Divided by, this can be written as 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. The reason is, this is a square minus b square. It can be split as a plus b into a minus b, right? Yes. Next coming to here, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, they get cancelled. Okay, what remains finally? 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, right? Hence RHS is proved, right? So this is one problem. Now let us go ahead with next problem. Okay. Yes, for theta equitriangle, prove that cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. We need to prove. Here 2 sec A is asked. Okay. So just you go for this LCM, because it is fraction. Just you take the LCM and simplify. So what you get? You see, LHS is equal to cos A, okay, upon 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A. You have to write this over to LHS first, divided by cos A, right? Coming to this, here if you take LCM, you are getting this as cos A into 1 plus sin A. How we are taking LCM? Here if these are different terms, just multiply them. If common is only 1 between them, so you have to multiply. So here, what? Here 1 plus sin A into what is equal to this total factor into cos A or not, right? Here cos A into what is equal to this total factor into 1 plus sin A or not, right? You have to multiply, right? Okay, like this. So if you multiply this, you are getting here cos square A, right? Plus this and this, if you multiply, what do you get? 1 plus sin A bracket square we are getting, right? Now what we will do is, here cos square A, okay, cos square A you write as it is, plus if you split this, A plus B bracket square or not, it is A plus B bracket square. This will be equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? In that form you need to split. So what this becomes? 1 plus sin square theta, sin square A plus 2 sin A. Okay, see, divided by, you write this as it is, cos A into 1 plus sin A, right? Now coming to this, what this becomes here? Cos square A plus sin square A. This sum is total is equal to 1 or not? You know this identity. Okay, cos square A is equal to 1. So that is why in this place, if you substitute 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2 sin A. So 2 plus 2 sin A you are getting, right? 2 sin A you are getting, divided by cos A into the bracket 1 plus sin A you are getting, right? Now what can be done here? 2 you take common outside. So what remains? 1 plus sin A remains or not inside. Now divided by cos A into the bracket 1 plus sin A. Now you can see here this 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, they get cancelled. So what remains? Down here 2 into 1 upon cos A remains. Okay. This 2 into 1 upon cos A means what? 2 into 1 upon cos A sec A or not? Sec A. So that is why 2 sec A. Hence proved RHS. Right. So this is how we can solve second problem. Now let us go ahead with the next problem. Coming to this, what we need to prove is tan theta upon minus 1 cos theta. Just start with this LHS. Okay. So what this becomes? LHS is equal to tan theta, right? Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, right? So LHS. Tan theta you can express this in terms of sin theta divided by cos theta, because in RHS it is asked in terms of sec theta and cosec theta. So you have to express this by splitting. So 1 minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, right? Yes, plus cot theta. How do you write this? Cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta, right? Yes. Next, coming to here, sin theta by cos theta I'll write as it is, right? Here, this you have to simplify. I'll take one step extra so that it becomes clear to you. 1 minus here LCM you need to take. LCM if you take, what you get here? Sin theta, right? Here 1 into what do you write here? Sin theta, right? So that is why this becomes sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, sin theta into 1, here 1 into sin theta. Yes, plus here cos theta by sin theta divided by here again taking LCM, what do you get here? This becomes cos theta LCM, this 1 into cos theta, right? This you are getting cos theta minus sin theta, right? So what do you get here? Sin theta divided by cos theta, right? So now if you take reciprocal and write, this becomes sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta, right? This is 1. Here plus is there. You remove this sign, minus sign common. So this can be multiplied with this. This changes to minus now. So if you write this cos theta by sin theta, right? Sin theta reciprocal if you multiply, this becomes cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Instead of that, this becomes sin theta minus cos theta, because we have taken this out. What? Minus sign. Here it has come. So multiply and write these. What do you get? You see here from here we'll start. Sin theta into sin theta, what? Sin square theta. Okay, divided by sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, right? Yes. Next minus cos theta, right? Cos theta. This is cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta, right? Like this we can write. Now coming to here is equal to again. Okay. Next coming to here, sin square theta means LCM you need to take first. If you take LCM, what do you get here? Cos theta, okay, into sin theta. Total if you multiply sin theta cos theta into the bracket, this is common, sin theta minus cos theta, right? Now what you have to do is you multiply this here. What this factor into what is equal to this LCM, this into sine or not sine theta. So here this into what is equal to this total factor, this into cos theta, right? So what this becomes, sin square theta into sin theta, sin cube theta, right? Cos square theta into cos theta, cos cube theta, right? This is in the form a cube minus b cube, right? This can be written as a minus b into the bracket a square plus ab plus b square, right? We can express like that. So if you write that, this becomes sin theta minus cos theta, right? Into the bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? Into AB means sin theta cos theta, plus AB means it is sin theta into cos theta, because plus AB is there. Yes, next coming to here down, here sin theta into cos theta you write as it is, right? Next coming to here sin theta minus cos theta I am writing as it is, right? Yes, next what can be done here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what, 1 or not? Okay, it is equal to 1. Here sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta is there. This can be cancelled, right? Yes. Next coming to sin square theta means what? 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta, right? Because here this is equal to 1 total. Next coming to here, this if you split and write 1 upon sin theta cos theta you can write, plus sin theta cos theta, you are splitting this just upon sin theta cos theta. If you add this again you get the same factor, right? So what do we get here? This is total 1, right? So I will reverse and write now here 1 plus, if you take this 1 upon sin theta, okay, 1 upon sin theta. Otherwise you can take it like this also, 1 upon cos theta, right? Cos theta, because in RHS what it is asked, sec is asked, so I am taking first this one into 1 upon sin theta. So now what can be done, 1 plus 1 upon cos theta means it is sec theta, right? Into 1 upon sin theta means cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to RHS, hence proved, right? Okay then, this is how it can be proved. Now let us go ahead with the next problem. Here 1 plus sec a upon sec a equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a we need to prove. So here LHS is equal to okay. Now let us start with next problem. Here taking LHS is equal to, okay, what is that? What is given, 1 plus sec a divided by sec a, it is given, okay. Yes, next you have to prove this one. So you have to express this term in terms of sine and cos. So here you can express this 1 plus sec means 1 by cos a you can express, right? Next this sec a, how do you write this, 1 by cos a you can write. Next coming to here 1 plus cos a, this if you take LCM this becomes cos a, right? 1 into cos a, right? So this becomes cos a plus 1, cos a plus 1 divided by 1 upon cos a, cos, right? So what do we get here, cos a plus 1 is there divided by cos a, you write this cos A plus 1 you can write like this, 1 plus cos A, both are same, right? Divided by cos A, right? And if you take the reciprocal and write, this becomes cos A by 1, right? If you simplify this, here cos A into 1 plus cos A, right? Here divided by cos A, they will get cancelled now, right? Into you multiply 1 minus cos A to the numerator and denominator, because the reason is we need to get the sine square there. So only if you multiply a plus b and a minus b, you will get a square minus b square. That is 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square will be equal to sine square. That is why we are taking that. This it gets cancelled, right? So what remains here? 1 plus cos a, right? 1 plus cos a, right? Here 1 minus cos a divided by, here what is that? 1 minus cos a. This if you take, this becomes 1 minus cos square a divided by 1 minus cos a. In shortcut we can write, but as much as possible, in order to make it clear, one step extra I am showing, so that you should not have any doubt. Okay, cos a, yes, this will be equal to RHS, hence proved. So this is how we can solve all the problems which are given. Here itself you can cancel this. After cancelling you need to multiply, but in denominator nothing will be there in order to multiply. That is why I kept it. Okay, so this is how you can solve. Those who are watching the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can receive the notification as soon as the next video is uploaded. Okay, thank you.